Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Affiliate Escape Plan by Brian Brewer, and you're wondering, is this a good training on affiliate marketing? Can you really make money from affiliate marketing? And is Brian Brewer's training the right one for you to get some amazing results and start making some full-time income? Or is this not a great course? Let's take a look at it, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite strategy to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US per month, 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy directly to your email, all right? Now, let's take a look at the Affiliate Escape Plan by Brian Brewer. Listen, I've reviewed hundreds of different make money online courses, whether it's affiliate marketing, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, SMMA, lots of different business models and websites, and some are okay, some are really bad, and some are great. So let's just take a look at Brian Brewer's course to see exactly what this covers. Now, the first thing that I want to say is it's really important to take a look at the sales page and what the owner of that sales page is talking about. Is it hypey? Do they make massive promises and things like that? Because those can be red flags. And what I want to say about Affiliate Escape Plan is, Brian isn't hypey at all, which is really nice. And it's actually him, which is also nice to see, because there are a lot of internet gurus out there that aren't even on the sales page. They hire somebody else, you don't know who the owner is, and those are red flags for me, because it means that it's very likely that you can never get in touch with the owner of that course, which can be very bad, especially in the internet world. But with Brian, he's upfront. This is him making the video. You're very non-hypey. What you see is what you get, which is what I like. It's a good thing about this program, okay? Now, let's talk a little bit about what's actually inside the Affiliate Escape Plan, all right? So first of all, he's got a 3-day challenge. This is a complimentary challenge. It's a free challenge, and you can just take this day 1, day 2, day 3, and he'll basically teach you for free. And if you want to continue past the challenge, then you're going to have to invest in the program itself. You have to invest in AEP, okay? Now, if you decide to invest in AEP, let's talk about some of the main things that Brian actually teaches, okay? The nice thing that I like about Affiliate Escape Plan is Brian covers a lot of different traffic training. Now, that's very important, because a lot of other affiliate training courses usually only covers one, and they only usually cover Facebook ads, okay? Now, Facebook ads is great if you can figure it out, but for the most part, especially when it comes to internet marketing, especially if you're a beginner, Facebook ads suck because they're very expensive, because everybody's on it. Facebook ads has been around for quite a long time, and also Facebook is a very unforgiving platform. That means that if you do something wrong, they can ban your account very, very easily. Facebook loves to do that because they don't like working with small newbie marketers like you and me. They like to work with big companies like Nestle's and your Unilevers of the world, your Coca-Colas. Does that make sense? They spend millions of dollars, whereas you and me can only spend a few hundred, a few thousand, if that makes sense, okay? Which is why Facebook is tough, right? So the nice thing about Brian's course is that he teaches multiple traffic strategies. So he teaches YouTube, which is great. He teaches TikTok, which is free. He teaches Facebook Reels, which is free. And he also has a whole section on Facebook ads, which is a paid strategy, all right? So you can learn free strategies and paid strategies, which I think is a good thing about the course. All good affiliate marketing courses should teach you free and paid strategies, and he does that very well, which is nice, all right? He also covers mindset, which is very important, because if you want to build an affiliate business, it's a real business, and you're going to have to go through some mindset training, because if you treat this like a short-term business, then you will never be successful. And he does a great job of teaching people to think about this for the long term. Don't quit at the first sign of trouble, right? So he's got that in the earlier parts of his training, which is great. He's got retargeting, he's even got TikTok ads as a paid strategy, which is cool, right? And then he's got live coaching twice a month, okay? So you get a lot of support from Brian, from the Affiliate Escape Plan, which is cool. You get some bonuses here. You can cover that yourself, right? But let's talk a little bit about, how he actually structures the course and the strategies that he actually teaches, okay? So the thing about Affiliate Escape Plan that I think is important for you to understand is that even though you can use the strategies that Brian teaches in this for any niche. So in the introduction sections, he'll talk about the big 3 niches that you can go into. You can go into health, wealth, or relationships, right? These are the biggest niches in the world. And within those niches, you can literally carve them into hundreds of little niches, sub-niches, which means that you have a lot of choice, okay? So even though you can use his strategies to sell in any niche that you want, a lot of Affiliate Escape Plan is actually focused on the make money online niche, all right? So if you're an absolute beginner and you want to just follow in Brian's footsteps, it's very likely that you're going to have to go into the make money online niche. So if you're not interested in the make money online space, it might not be the best course for you because he talks a lot about that. All right. He also recommends some of the products that he promotes. So he promotes a big make money online offer and training program called Legendary Marketer. It's a very good program. All right, it's a low and high ticket program. I also recommend some of my students to market that program. It's a great program, and he recommends you to market that. He recommends you to use some of his tools like ClickFunnels as well. Okay, so if you're open to that, the make money online space, if you want to just follow Brian in his footsteps, just model exactly what he's doing, then he does a very good job of doing that. But if you're somebody who wants to market, let's just say, gardening products or mindset products or crypto investment products or personal savings or something like that, you might struggle a little bit because he doesn't focus so much on that. So if you're really good at translating the concepts to something else, it's okay. But he does focus a lot on the make money online niche. That's the only thing that I would say about this program, okay? That is a slight limitation. It's a good and bad thing. Look, if you just want to be in the make money online space, follow Brian exactly step by step, then just follow him exactly step by step. But if you want to translate it into something else, it might be a little bit difficult for you depending on who you are. That's all, okay? Now, the way that he teaches, the strategy, is mainly a two-page strategy. He likes to use a capture page and a bridge page, which is pretty standard in affiliate marketing. But if you do it right, then you can generate a lot of profit. You just have to learn how to do it right. That's all. But it's nothing groundbreaking. It's pretty standard. But he teaches it in a really good way. So if you follow step by step, I'd be surprised if you didn't make any sales. So it's pretty good stuff. Okay. What else? 14 lessons. The price point of Affiliate Escape Plan is $997. So if we kind of go inside here, you can see the price. And if you are on a little bit of a budget, you can break it up too. So you can see right here, $997 one time, or you can break it up into 10 payments of $149 per month. Okay, so he makes it affordable for anybody. It's not cheap, it's not expensive, it's somewhere in the middle. For good affiliate marketing training courses, you can expect to pay anywhere around that range, a few $100, $500 to $1,000. Anything more than that can get quite expensive, so it depends on you. The only thing is that there's no refunds, okay? So what you see is what you get. If you decide to invest in this program, you will not be able to get a refund. Good and bad, depending on who you are when you're looking at products. It is a good course. It's very detailed. There's a lot of support, but you have to trust that this is the right program for you. That's what I would say. Okay, so that's my overall nutshell review for Brian Brewer's Affiliate Escape Plan. It is definitely a good affiliate marketing training program. One of the better ones for sure that I've reviewed, that I've seen. It's not hypey. It's not super expensive. It's not super cheap. Somewhere in the middle. Again, he covers a lot of traffic training strategies, which I think is very good, because a lot of affiliate marketing training programs don't go into that much detail. They just teach Facebook ads, which sucks, to be honest, because if you can't make Facebook ads work, then you're in big trouble. But he covers YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, which is great. Okay, you want to attack affiliate marketing for multiple traffic strategies, which I think Brian's done a really, really good job of. All right, so there you have it. The only thing though is if you are not so interested in the make money online space, might not be the right program for you, because you might need a little bit more guidance on how to promote other affiliate programs in all of the different niches, depending on what your goals are as an affiliate marketer and as someone who wants to make an income on the side. Okay, that's my review of Affiliate Escape Plan. You can check it out at affiliateescapeplan.com if you'd like. And if you're watching this video right now, perhaps you're looking for another way. Look, I've reviewed hundreds of different websites. I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on my own hard-earned money to try and figure out what works and what doesn't online. There's some great strategies. There's some easy, there's some difficult strategies. And for the most part, my favorite way till today, after being online marketing for over 14 years, is a very specific strategy that will get you to $5,000 to $10,000 per month minimum, 100% from home, just using your computer and your internet connection. And if you would like to check out that strategy for free, you can just click the link below and I'll send you that directly to your email if you'd like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review today, and I will see you on another review video. Take care.